Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create your very own Kahoot quiz game. It's simple, just follow along step by step to avoid any mistakes. First, open your browser and go to kahoot.com. On the home page, click Sign Up in the top right corner. You'll need to create an account by selecting one of the following account types: professional, teacher, student, or family and friends. Don't worry, any option works. For this tutorial, I'll select professional. Next, sign up with your email and password or use Google to register. I'll choose Google to speed up the process. Once you're on the dashboard, click Create and then select Blank Canvas to start from scratch. On the quiz editor, enter your first question and add multiple choice answers. For example, question: what is the capital of France? Option 1, Paris. Option 2, Rome. Option 3, Madrid. Option 4, Berlin. Don't forget to mark the correct answer. You can also enhance your quiz by adding images or videos to make it more engaging. To add more questions, click Add Question and choose Quiz. Here's another example. Question: which planet is known as the Red Planet? Option 1, Earth. Option 2, Mars. Option 3, Jupiter. Option 4, Venus. You can also explore other question formats like true-false or puzzle questions, but keep in mind that some formats require a paid plan. When your quiz is complete, click Save. Add a title and an optional description to your Kahoot, then click Continue. If a pop-up suggests upgrading, simply select Remind Me Later. To host your quiz, return to the dashboard and click Library. You'll see your newly created Kahoot there. Click Host Live next to your quiz. If a pop-up appears saying Upgrade to engage a larger audience, you need a subscription to present Kahoots you've created to more than 3 participants. Click on the link at the bottom that says, or try it out with up to 3 participants. This will redirect you to the hosting screen. Click Start and choose Classic Mode for individual play. Share the game pin or QR code with your participants so they can join. Once everyone is joined, start the game and have fun. Congratulations, you've successfully created and hosted your own Kahoot quiz. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.